In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating and approving purchase order via requisition. Access the purchase order system. Enter the purchase requisition number and click the Search button. Enter document date and select vendor. Now you can add the material details. Click on Add button to add the other material in the same purchase order. Don't forget to save your purchase order. Once the purchase order is saved, click on the Action button. In the Action menu, click on the Approve button to approve the purchase order. Reviewing the purchase order PDF, click Print. Choose the date for the printed purchase order. You have successfully completed the purchase order creation, approval, and documentation process, ensuring a smooth and efficient procurement workflow. Thanks for watching.